Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to me, I'm Jaboria Scott, a leadership coach and management consultant. And I like to share these what I eat in a day vlogs because I know that we're busy professionals, whether you work from home or you go into the traditional office. I like to share a few snack ideas, meal ideas of what I eat in a day to try to stay healthy in the event that it'll help you too. So I hope you enjoy. So I usually like to start my morning with some kind of plain juice or breakfast smoothie. I usually use whatever berries I have on hand. So today it's strawberries, blueberries, and a few blackberries. I add them with some spinach and some sprouts that I want to use before they go bad. And then I usually use some form of liquid that could be ice cubes, water. Today it's oat milk, and then I'm going to add some coconut water because it has a lot of vitamins and minerals. And then I have my tablets that you've seen me use in my other smoothies. And I like to add some kind of healthy fat like nuts, along with my grain surge powder that gives me a blend of healthy veggies. And that's it. I'm usually starving by mid-morning, so I like to make filling snack that has a lot of fiber and some fat to help keep me satiated and fuller longer. My go-to is normally my version of the avocado toast. I like to use Ezekiel bread because it's a sprouted bread, and I used to be diabetic. I was able to reverse that with exercise and diet, so I am really conscious of the types of food I eat to keep that down. And so I like to use the sprouted grain because it's better for me and better for processing in my body, helping my glycemic index not to spike up and down. And so I use the guacamole because I feel like it is easier than pressing down the avocados, and it's just something that works for me. I like salsa. I'm putting a few greens on there, and it's just, I only need, because it's a interim snack, it's a mid-morning snack, I only have one piece of toast with some salmon on there, and I really enjoy it. Now that it's lunchtime, I'm trying to see what I have left over. I know I have some chops left over, and I also have some stuffed peppers from the night before. And I usually use meatless grounds to mix with beans and different things. And I stuff my peppers with that, and probably a nice healthy side salad with some berries on it. I really don't know what was going on with my filming on this day with all of the audio issues that I'm having, but I didn't want to leave you without a tip because this channel is dedicated to helping you level up your leadership and thrive in business as you lead your dynamic teams. So I just wanted to say that one of the things that we forget to do as entrepreneurs and as corporate professionals, we get so busy that we forget to document our accomplishments. And time gets away from us, and then we have to report out, or we want to reflect on some of the things that went well. I think it's easy for us to beat up on ourselves and remember the times when things didn't go so well. And I think we don't do a good job, myself included, of celebrating the victories, the small wins, the things that we've accomplished over time. And the best way to do that is to document while they're happening. And so it's important that while you're working through a process or a project, or you're working toward a goal, is to jot down a few things on a notepad or a word pad or a Rocketbook or in your phone, however you take notes. Make a small note of the month or the date and that the thing is happening, when it's actually happening. What were some of your major goals or objectives? What did you do to accomplish them? And then when you do accomplish them, write down what were some of the things that helped you to do that. And that way you have a running tab so that you can celebrate yourself and that you can recognize that, hey, I'm doing a great job. You can capitalize on your win and by recognizing and identifying the areas of growth, places where you've learned, how you've succeeded, and what helped you to get there, so that you can kind of like repeat that process if you ever need to. You don't have to reinvent the wheel, and just so that you can just establish the habit of congratulating yourself and for recognizing how and when you do succeed versus focusing on the areas when it doesn't go so well. So that's just a tip that I think has helped me, and that I have coached clients to help them in becoming better leaders. Celebrate the small wins. Sometimes I like to make a protein coffee or have some popcorn or eat something light as an in-between afternoon snack. And so sometimes I just do a protein shake and just a little bit of coffee. Sometimes I add one of the pre-made Starbucks coffee drinks. It's not the most healthy option, but I just use a bit of it and it kind of takes me through the afternoon until it's time for dinner. I'm ready to go. I hope this holds. Class was great. Great workout. So glad to be out of the pool. Now, let's go back home and eat. So I am back from the H2O cardio class at the YMCA. I'm gonna log off for this vlog. Let me know what your favorite meal was, and if you have any ideas of how I could do something differently or ideas of quick meals that you prepare throughout the workday, I'll definitely show you my meal, what my dinner ended up being. I did make the fish for Mister, but I didn't feel like eating fish tonight, so I did some lamb chops for me. But remember, be kind to yourself, have a great week, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.